Hi everyone, welcome back to this channel. So in today's tutorial, we will see how can you fix slow blinking white light on Verizon extender. So here's a troubleshooting guide for your WPS or black hole. Fix 1. Wait for the extender to finish starting up. Wait up to 10 to 15 minutes. Avoid unplugging it while it's starting or updating. Fix 2. Move the extender closer to the router. Place it within 20 to 30 feet, which is 6 to 9 meters of your Verizon router. Keep it away from the thick walls, metal objects, microwaves, and cordless phones. After it connects successfully, move it to its desired location if needed. Fix 3. Restart the router and the extender. Restarting both devices can resolve temporary communication issues. Unplug the Verizon router, unplug the Wi-Fi extender, wait for 60 seconds, plug the router back in and wait until it's fully online. Plug in the extender and allow it to reconnect. Fix 4. Check the connection method. For wireless setup, ensure the extender is within range of the router. For Ethernet backhaul, make sure the Ethernet cable is securely connected and isn't damaged. Fix 5. Repair the extender. Place it near the router. Press the pairing or WPS button on the router. Press the pairing or WPS button on the extender within 2 minutes and wait for the pairing process to complete. Fix 6. Factory reset the extender. Keep the extender powered on. Press and hold the reset button for 10 to 15 seconds using a laptop. Release the button and wait for the extender to reboot. Set it up again through the pairing process. Fix 7. Check for Verizon service issues. If the router itself has no internet connection, the extender won't be able to connect. Verify that your Verizon internet service is working before troubleshooting the extender. That's it for the video. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to like, share, comment, and also do hit the subscribe button.